In this episode, learn how to backup and restore, including the new cloud backups in StreamerBot. To backup, we go to the settings. The backup in clouds will take the StreamerBot name. So if you are running multiple instances, you may want to change the name here. So under settings, we have backups. The regular backups that go into the folder backup underneath where you've put StreamerBot. You can just click on backup now. That's going to create a backup there. StreamerBot will also back up every time it's started up. If you're a Patreon supporter, which is really worthwhile, we get the cloud backups. And to access this, you'll need to be logged in to StreamerBot website, which is at the bottom left hand corner if you're not logged in already. We can give a backup name and tell it to include authentication information, and we can click on backup. You can see here it's got the date, time, the version, the name here, which comes from the general settings. To restore from a backup, if you're an existing instance and you need to go back in time because you've lost something by mistake, deleting something for example, I would suggest renaming the data folder. This means you can always recover this previous state before the backup if need be. You can then create a new folder called data. So that's now empty and ready to take the backup. In the backup, we'll see several versions here with dates and times. This is the one which we created. So we can copy everything from within the backup zip file and put it into the data folder. Then when we start up StreamerBot, it's going to have all the connections information, authentication information, actions, commands, and that's going to show us when we start up that we have all those in place. To restore from cloud backups is even easier. We go to settings, backups. We can select the backup we want to restore, right click and select restore. We can then tell it to download and then restore. It's then going to restart StreamerBot for us. Whilst doing a restore from a cloud backup, you may be prompted to authenticate to ensure that it's you that's recovering from the backup. You may find you need to log into the StreamerBot website again as well. If the worst has happened and you've lost everything on your machine, you've got a cloud backup, then we don't need to worry. You can just download StreamerBot. So this is a new download of StreamerBot I've extracted here. You can go into StreamerBot. Then we need to log into the StreamerBot website. Then we go to settings, backups. What we'll find here is this instance tab is not going to show anything. Because it's a new download of StreamerBot, it's going to have a new instance name. Backup's still there under other instances. So there's two backups we have here. The StreamerBot cloud backups will need you to unlock in this scenario. Clicking on unlock will then prompt you to verify yourself. And once you've gone through the process, which is in your web browser, like logging onto the StreamerBot website, you'll see this is now unlocked. We can then do a restore, which again, very similar to before. Download, restore. StreamerBot will then restart. And again, we'll need to log back in to the StreamerBot website. We will find now that we're all reconnected and good to go again, all thanks to the StreamerBot cloud backup. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and enable notifications. The best way to support StreamerBot is to donate, donate to Nate. This is easily done via patreon.com/Nate1280. He's also on Ko-fi if you'd like to donate there. If you want to keep up to date with my content, all my socials are VRFlad. You can download StreamerBot from streamer.bot. And if you need help with StreamerBot, please use the StreamerBot Discord. There is a great support section. For any issues with my content, please check the video description and comments. Alternatively, go to the StreamerBot Discord and mention my name in the title of a support post. The background music on my videos is by permission of the very talented Alan Fulmer. Please do check him out via his website. And finally, thank you all so much for your great support over the years, be that nice comments, subscribing, it really does mean a lot.